Today I'm here with the 2012 Chevy Impala X-Police Interceptor, and if you've seen the first video of this car, you'll notice that all of the police decals are completely removed and the body looks just really good now. It has a nice shine to it, and the decals and adhesive came off nicely. This video, the purpose of it is going to be showing you the process of what needs to be done to take out the prisoner setup. This is a ProGuard prisoner cage or guard separator divider, and of course the hard plastic prisoner seat. The seat and the divider are both ProGuard. Now on this seat, to remove it, there are 4 bolts on the top of it and 4 on the bottom, so a total of 8 bolts to loosen the seat. I've already gotten those taken out, so the seat is pretty much ready to be removed. Aside from the seat belt holders here, there's also 4 on each of the seat belt, these circular little plastic pieces that are holding the seat belts in place and also holding the seat down. So after you remove the 8 bolts on the seat and then the 4 on each of the seat belts, this seat will just pop right out, and you can go ahead and install the civilian seat if that's what you're looking to do. Over here we have the seat, the civilian model seat, just out of a regular LS or LT model Impala from 06 to 13, and it's in decent condition. We picked it up at a salvage yard and it cost $75, so pretty good price on that. Trying to buy a new one like that's going to cost you considerably more, but there's that. We're going to go ahead and be putting that in the car. Once you get these seat belt brackets that hold the seat in place taken off, the belt in the center for the middle passenger is running right through the center of the plastic seat, as you can see there. And what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to get a socket and take off this bolt. Not sure if you can quite see it, but right there, there's a bolt that will undo the middle seat belt, and it will loosen that up so you can take it out and remove that belt to get this seat out of the car. The civilian seat is now installed, and while I was over there working on the 07 Trailblazer, my dad was over here just going to town getting all this taken care of, and we have the guard, and the plastic seat is now out in the 95 Astro over there. Gonna get rid of that, but this right here just changes the whole look of the car. I mean, it just clearly looks like a totally different vehicle in here now. And getting in it, you can see has the civilian type legroom now. You're not crammed back here like a prisoner would be. And still to come, we're going to be taking out the center stuff and also the metal pieces on the side here. But this right here just looks really good. And you can see that we have the seat belts pulled over, and it was real simple. The back part of the seat just slid down in, had some like hook brackets, slid right down into the metal pieces of the vehicle. And this down here, there's some straps that you pull right underneath the front of the seat. You just pull them out, and they just lock right down into place. So that was a very, very simple and easy process that changes the whole look of the vehicle. It still has that semi-active duty kind of undercover look with the spotlight and antennas, but inside it feels more like a civilian vehicle now, which is going to be a lot more comfortable. So stay tuned to see the updated review of what the car looks like now that it is completely finished and cleaned up. That's going to be a good video, so stay tuned to watch that. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Turn on notifications before you go, and subscribe today if you haven't already.